Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am excited to share my experience with the Grownsy food maker. If you are like me, always looking for ways to make life easier, especially when it comes to preparing meals for the little ones, then you will definitely want to stick around. Let's dive into making a simple yet nutritious pureed sweet potato and carrot for the little ones. For this recipe, you need one sweet potato, chopped, and two carrots. These are packed with vitamins and perfect for little tummies. The Grownsy food maker has a built-in steamer, so it's really convenient. I'm just placing the veggies into the steamer basket and I'm selecting the timer for 20 minutes. So what you're going to do is to select power, and then you're going to press on function and bring it to puree. And once you bring it to puree, it will select for 20 minutes. What I love about this food maker is how hands-off it is. I can walk around and do something else while it steams the veggies to perfection. Once the veggies are nice and tender, it will then puree. The Grownsy food maker makes this part super easy. Just pop the steamer veggies into the blender jar and we are ready to go. One of the things I appreciate most is how quickly and smoothly it blends. You can adjust the texture by blending it for a shorter or longer time, depending on your baby stage. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to make homemade baby food using the Grownsy food maker. If you are interested in checking it out, I have a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more baby-friendly recipe and product review. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.